Another breath. And we'll inhale with a flat back, come all the way back up. Turn those heels in again. Bend your knees. One more goddess position here. Feel the crown of the head lift, core nice and stable. And we'll playfully come back to our chair pose at the front of the mat. Send those hips down, sternum lifts up. Bring your hands to prayer and heel toe your feet a little bit wider. The heels will be in. Now you've got your block right there if you were coming into yogi squat, if you want to use it to sit down. And bring your backs of the arms to the inside of the knees here or legs, and just use that to press both into each other. And as you do that, feel the spine elongate here. And then resisting that lift of the crown of the head, the hips are going down. And that's giving almost a sensation of decompressing your spine here. Bring your hands down, lift the hips up just a bit. We'll take a big step of the left foot back. Heel toe your right foot out to the left. Drop the back knee. We're coming into lizard lunge. So I like to take my time here a little bit as we go lower to the ground. We want to hold the stretches a little bit longer.